Girls, now that we have all of our backgrounds, now we're going to code Ripley, our sprite, to go through the background. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're clicked on your sprite, not your background, and click on code. Then you're going to come and get your flag event, and you are going to start with your backdrop. So this is rocks and water. So I'm going to say water and rocks, and then I'm just going to add it there. Now I'm going to use my say block and say something about this one. So now I'm going to say, I love the water, or whatever you want it to say. Then you're going to, this is just a trick that I use as I bring out the next backdrop. I click next backdrop and I go, okay, the next backdrop is frozen. So then I'm going to say switch the backdrop, and this time I'm going to say Arctic. And now I'm going to say something about this one. I'm going to say it is cold here. Then I'm going to click the next backdrop again, and then I'm going to say, and then remember, don't forget to put your switch backdrop there. I'm going to say switch backdrop to city with water, and now I'm going to say the boats look fun. Okay, then I'm going to click this one to see what the next one is, and then I'm going to say switch backdrop, and this one is the pool, and then I'm going to say something, and then I'm going to say I love to swim, and then once again I'm just clicking that next backdrop to see which one I have, and then I'm going to say switch the backdrop to beach Malibu, and now I'm going to say I love the beach. Then I'm just clicking this next backdrop button, and now I'm underwater, and I'm going to say, oops, don't forget to put your switch backdrop in there just like I did. So you're going to come over here and you're going to say underwater. So now I'm going to say under the sea. Okay, so now that if I click my next backdrop, you see I'm back at the beginning. So now I'm where I want to be. So this is how you are going to do your sequencing to get the backdrop. And in the next video, we'll talk about how to get your surprise at the end.